If you are a travel guide publisher, you will agree with me that maps are one of the most fundamental elements of a travel guide. If you create a travel guide and you don't add maps to it, your travel guide might not be regarded as valuable. One of the main problems travel guide publishers face is that they don't know how to add maps to their travel guide. But not to worry, because in this video, I'm going to teach you how to add top quality maps with directions and QR codes to your travel guide, such that it will be very easy for your travel guide buyers to scan the QR code, get the perfect location to where they are going with the step-by-step direction. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. My name is Legai Nara, and all I do every day is to put a smile on your face and money in your bank account by teaching you different legitimate ways to make money online and offline. If this is something you are interested in, like this video, hit the red subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon so that the next time I post awesome videos like this, you will get notified by YouTube instantly. Normally, this video is supposed to be for my mentorship subscribers alone, but I understand that some of my YouTube subscribers or my social media followers are also travel guide publishers, but are not in my mentorship group. So I decided to do this video to teach everybody how to add maps to their travel guides easily. As a travel guide publisher, you should know that your travel guide should have at least 5 maps. Although I usually add up to 10, but that is not compulsory. You can have 5 and you will be good. Just make sure that the maps are for very strategic or popular locations where you know that these travelers or tourists must want to visit. One of the maps that must be in your travel guide at the beginning of your book to show buyers that there is a map in your book is the map of the entire city or the location. Let's take, for example, you're writing a travel guide for Paris. That is a Paris travel guide. You should have the complete Paris map inside your book, covering one full page. That should be the first map. Then other maps can now be for hotels, side attractions, beautiful places to visit, and any other important location in your travel guide. Now, how do you get these maps? I'm going to show you how to get the maps in 3 easy steps. Step 1, you open your Canva app. This is Canva, and this is the app we're going to be using to get our maps. Click on the plus sign and select custom size. Then input the exact size you are using to write your book. In this case, I'll select 8.5 by 11. Now we have our design interface ready. The next thing you want to do is to copy the name of the location you want to create the map for. Let's say we are writing a Paris travel guide and you want to create map for the hotels in Paris. All you would need to do is to copy the name of the hotel and come back to Canva to start the magic. So because I'm not writing a travel guide currently, I just went on Google and I searched best hotels in Paris and I got all these results. Let's just pick one of them and copy the name, Shangri-La Paris. Copy, then you go back to Canva and search for apps. Now pay attention. Search for apps. If you are using a phone, just scroll through these icons at the bottom of your phone and you will see apps. If you are using a laptop, by the left hand corner of your Canva interface, you will see apps there. Just click apps and search Google Maps. Once you search Google Map, this is what will display. You just click the first one, which is Google Maps. Immediately you click it, it will now tell you to put the location that you need direction for or a map for. All you need to do is to go to this search bar and paste the name of the location which you have copied. And in this case, this is the one I copied from Google. Then you hit enter. As you can see, it has created a map for us to that location. Just click on the map and it will appear on your design interface like this. All you need to do is to use it to fill up the design area exactly the way I have done it. Another thing I usually do to spice up my map is that I'll duplicate it, bring it down to cover the entire page, and send it to back. After doing this, I'll go to transparency and reduce the transparency like this to about 20 or 25. 25 is fine. As you can see, it makes it look like the entire map is what is covering this whole page. I like this aesthetics. Now, I would start customizing my map. I'll go to elements, select square, use it to fill up my map area, go to color, remove color, select line style, increase border weight to 5, change the color to red or any other color you prefer, and we are good. I'll go back to elements again, select square again, move the square up the map and use it to create a line on the map like this. Then I'll paste the name of the location. Go to text, select text box and paste the name. After doing that, I'll move the name to the square that I just created on top of the map and change the color to white. As you can see, this is our map with the name. I have successfully customized it. Now to step 2. And in step 2, we want to create a QR code that would enable the user of this book or the tourist or the buyer navigate this map and get exact direction to their location. This can be achieved by creating a QR code using the direct link to this map. To do that, you need to click on apps and search QR code. As you can see, all these are QR code formats that you can use, but I always prefer the first one. Once you click on the first one, it will tell you to paste the URL of the map you just copied. You click on the map, click on the pencil sign and copy. Before you do this, make sure that you haven't added this box, this particular one that I deleted. Make sure that you haven't added it yet. Okay, so what I used to do is that I would click on the one I duplicated, because after covering this top side with that red, if you click on the map, it will not bring the link. So you click on the one at the bottom and then it will bring the link. As you can see, that pencil sign, that is the link to this map. So you click on the pencil sign to copy this link. Just look at this copy sign beside it. You click on it and you've copied the link. As it says link copied to clipboard, then you go back to apps again and search QR code. Once you do that, it will load the QR code for you, and this is the first QR code showing here. You click on it and it will ask you to enter URL. Just paste the URL you just copied and click generate code. As you can see, it has successfully generated the code for us. Just move that code to the bottom of the map and leave it like this. If you scan this code, it will take you directly to this map on your Google Maps app. The next thing you want to do is to teach this buyer how to use this QR code to get direction to their exact location. To do this, let's head straight to ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT, and I'll just type 5 steps to scan a QR code. As you can see, ChatGPT has given me 5 simple steps to scan the QR code. 1. Open your device camera app. 2. Point the camera at the QR code. 3. Ensure the QR code is within the frame and well lit. 4. Wait for the device to recognize the QR code. 5. Once recognized, tap on the notification or follow the prompt to access the content or action associated with the code. All you need to do is to copy that, then go back to Canva, click on text box and paste what you just copied. Then you resize it so that it will fit directly beside the QR code. Align it left. As you can see, we haven't just created the QR code. We also went further to teach the user or the buyer how to scan the code. I'll go a step further and type scan the QR code. Resize that and place it directly on top of the instruction. As you can see, our map is making a lot of sense already. One thing you should always know is that whenever you have a QR code inside your book, you should always make sure that you teach the buyers how to use it. If you don't teach them, some of them might not know how to use it and it will just be useless. But if you do this by writing the instruction on how to use it, you are going to get positive review because the buyer would enjoy reading your book. After you complete your design, the next thing is to download this map. You go to downloads, download as JPG, then you hit download. Once it's done downloading, you will now paste it inside your book. Now it has finished downloading our map. Let's check it out. One of the issues you might face after downloading is that your map will not come out like this. As you can see, only the one we reduced the transparency is the one showing. The real map is not showing. Although if you scan the QR code, it will still work, but this is not how it should be in your book. And the reason is that this line that we gave the map is too thick. It has to be very thin, or in some cases I just remove it completely. And when you remove it completely, it will look like this. As you can see, this is still very beautiful. So I head straight to Canva, click on the line, and then click delete before downloading. If you download it like this, you will see that it will work perfectly. So to avoid this and make your work faster, don't bother putting the line, except you want to put it and make it very thin. Now, I want us to try this map and see exactly how the buyer's experience is going to be with it. You click on the map to copy the link. When you copy the link, you go to your browser to check it out. This is Google Chrome. I'll just paste the link here and click enter. As you can see, it has taken me directly to the exact hotel in Paris. All you need to do is to click direction and select your current location. For example, choose starting point. You click on that and then you click, let's say, Paris Airport. Once you click that, it will give you the exact direction from the airport to the hotel. As you can see it here, this is how the buyer is going to use it. All they would need to do is to click start, and then it will start directing them, or it will show them how they can get from point A, which is the airport where they are, to point B, which is the hotel where they are going. Now, to increase your chances of getting a positive review, everything I have just explained now, you add it to the travel guide immediately after the map. Just write it there and say, after scanning the QR code, you will be linked directly to your Google Maps app, where you can now input your current location and click direction to get the exact direction from your current location to the hotel or the destination. This is why it is better to scan the QR code for more information. As you can see, once you do this, you have given a simple instruction on how they can get the perfect direction or description to where they are going from point A to point B. With this, they will be happy and they would likely give you a 5-star. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new today, like this video, hit the red subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon so that the next time I post great videos like this, YouTube will notify you instantly. If you have any questions, feel free to write them and I'll respond as fast as I can. As you know, my updates are always up to date. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.